all my beginners out there, learn at your own pace, man. Don't let nobody judge you. Don't let nobody tell you how to do this and how to do that. The best way to learn is to get on two wheels, bro.
Ah, 5 foot.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy 5 Foot, and today, boy, I know you already see we got Houdini out, boy. So there's already a lot of videos out there, you know what I mean, on YouTube and stuff like that, giving you guys tips and tricks and stuff like that for beginner riders. So I'm really not wanting to get too deep into it, man. But I kind of wanted to make a little short video giving my opinion on the best advice for newer riders out there, man. And if you guys would like me to do more of a long-term or more of a long-form video on this topic, man, just throw it down in the comments, man. I'd be happy to. But there's really only one thing that I really wanted to touch on, man. For my new riders out there, man, if y'all are out there and y'all are wanting to get into bikes, you know what I mean, and or you just bought your first bike, man, I mean, the main thing I would say to you guys is ride your own ride, bro. Ride your own ride. And what I mean by that is when you buy your first bike, bro, learn at your own pace, man. Learn at your own pace, man. You don't have to get on this thing and try to keep up with everybody else that's out there, bro. Because, I mean, honestly, in my opinion, in today's world, bro, one of the biggest things that's got this generation so messed up is social media, man. I mean, you got people out here on YouTube and people out here on Facebook and Instagram and all that good stuff out there putting basically out their whole life out there, man. So then... Oh, they over there at the gas station. Well, I thought they was hollering at me. But you got everybody out there putting their whole life out there on social media. So it becomes natural, man, to kind of start judging, you know what I mean, where you are at in life and or what you're trying to do compared to everybody else that's on the internet and stuff like that, man. So, and I'm guilty of this, man, and I feel like everybody's guilty of this. But sometimes, man, you got to take a step back, you know what I mean, so you can see the whole picture, man. And honestly, man, when you're getting on two wheels, like I said, from my beginner riders out there, man, you don't have a cage around you, bro. You know what I mean? You don't have a cage around you. So when you get your new bike, bro, learn at your own pace, bro. You know what I mean? This ain't, you know what I mean? We ain't out here trying to compete with everybody. You don't need to be out here trying to compete with everybody. You know what I mean? You know, drop the ego, bro. You know what I mean? Drop the ego. Hop on your bike, have fun. You know what I mean? And learn at your own pace, bro. You know what I mean? And if you start riding with people that, you know what I mean, it starts talking crap and all that about how, you know, you don't do this and you don't do that and you don't do this and you don't do that, man, honestly, the hell with them, bro. You need new friends and new people to ride with. Because honestly, anybody who rides motorcycles should be able to tell you, bro, these things are fun, but at the same time, they're dangerous, bro. They're very dangerous, and you know what I mean, so, ooh, what you got there, bruh? Come on back, bro, come on back, come on. Come race me, bro, come on, man, I want you to. But no, man, learn at your own pace, bro. You know what I mean, there's a lot of people out there that there's people out there that tries to tell you how to ride, you know what I mean, and everybody has their own riding style, you know what I mean, but learn at your own pace, bro. Life is too precious. And as I've said in many of my other videos, man, when you're on these things, it happens, stuff happens so fast and you don't have time to react, man. So, you know what I mean, learn at your own pace, bro. You know what I mean, don't be trying to get out here and keep up with everybody else. And know your skill set, bro. If you're just getting into these bikes, bro, know that you just now got into it, man. Don't hop on this thing like you've been driving bikes for 10 plus years and act like you know what the hell you're doing, bro. You know what I mean? Like I say, life is too precious, man. Life is too precious, bro. So have fun with it, bro. You know what I mean? This is, this is a time thing to where the more you're on it, the more you learn. The more comfortable you get, the more experience you get, you know what I mean? And your skill set just goes up from the first day you buy your first bike, bro. But yeah, man, like I say, there are plenty of tips and tricks and everything like that I could give beginner riders. But I mean, honestly, one of the main things to me, man, is ride your own ride. Especially when you start riding in groups and stuff like that. You know what I mean? Like I said, everybody rides different, bro. And there are people that get on these bikes, bro, and are just completely crazy. You know what I mean? I don't like to call people stupid. You know what I mean? That's just me. I'm a nice dude. Like I said, I try to be positive. But there are people that get on these bikes and be crazy, bro. They're crazy. You know what I mean? And me, I got a family. I got an old lady. I got 2 kids. So when I get on this bike, bro, I try to be as safe as possible. But at the same time, I try to have fun with it, bro. You know what I mean? We got to have fun because life is too short and it's too precious. You know what I mean? But, you know what I mean? Ego aside, bro, get on these things, have fun. All my beginners out there, learn at your own pace, man. Don't let nobody judge you. Don't let nobody tell you how to do this and how to do that. The best way to learn is to get on 2 wheels, bro. Get on 2 wheels and get out there and ride. Just don't try to go too fast, bro. Stay at your own pace, man. Stay at your own pace, man. And like I said, I know this is a shorter video. You know what I mean? I didn't want to dive too much into it. And like I say, if y'all want a longer term video on this topic, man, throw them down in the comments, bro. Let me know. You know what I mean? Because I have no problem coming up with a longer term or a longer form video about this topic, man. But guys, if you got anything out of the video, man, make sure you hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Well, me and Houdini, you know what I mean? We'll catch y'all guys in the next one. Peace.